Thank you for watching. You just helped someone get free education. I'm on a mission to provide free education through my channel. Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at circular array. So for that purpose, I deleted what was existing and I will add a monkey. And let us make it 0.5 smaller. Then we will add a circle and make the circle bigger. Okay. Then I'll go to the top view and move the monkey where the circle is, and it is 2.5 meters away. Then we will add array modifier. So what I did was go to add modifier, hit the A key, and then array. Now we don't want a relative array, which will keep adding objects. And if you want a step, then you can, oops, it's not step, but this is the step. Okay, but we don't want that. We want object offset, and we're going to select the circle. Okay, now you can see that it has been scaled a lot. Okay, and it is scaled in only X and Y because we did not scale this. So if we scale that, then it is uniform scale. But we don't want that. What you have to do is go to object, apply scale. Okay, and then now we need to rotate this circle. If you rotate the circle, you can see that the array will happen in circle. So we need to apply scale for this also. So object, apply scale. Okay, now all these are the circle, and we will say number of units as 6, and the scale will be 360 divided by 6, which will be 40 degrees. Now it is still not in the center because our origin was not in the center, and once the origin is in the center, you have an array of monkeys. Say for example you want 7 monkeys, so you add one more, select the circle and do 360 divided by 7. Now you get 7 monkeys. Now if you don't want to rotate the circle, you can also rotate the monkey. Okay, the only thing is when you rotate the monkey, if you go to tab, you can see that it has moved from its original place. So if you want the first monkey here, then it is better that you put it here. Then if you go to tab, then the monkey stays in the place. Now if you select the monkey and move it, your array is going to get affected, same way with the circle. Okay, so you will have to apply your array. You can get rid of the circle, and now you have your monkeys, and you can move them and do whatever you want. That's about it. Thank you.